Hello, welcome to this question on singular matrix. The question is, solve for x given that the following is a singular matrix. 3 marks. You can see your matrix: 1x squared, 2x plus 3. So for us to solve this question, under our solution, we are going first to know that for a singular matrix, what you need to know is that the determinant is normally equivalent to 0. For a singular matrix, the determinant is equal to 0. Then, how do you obtain your determinant? Determinant is the product of values in the main diagonal. That will be 1 times x plus 3. What you get here, you minus the product of elements in the minor diagonal, which is given by 2 times x squared. And what you get here as your determinant should be equivalent to 0. So 1 times x is going to be x squared. Sorry, 1 times x is x, plus 1 times 3 will be 3, minus 2 times x squared is going to be 2x squared. This should be equivalent to 0. That one should be equivalent to 0. When we reach there, learners, when we reach there, what are we supposed to do? We proceed well. So we are going to rearrange this one as a quadratic equation. I want everything now to go to the right hand side. So negative 2x squared on crossing to the right is going to be positive 2x squared. Then positive x on crossing will be minus x. Positive 3 on crossing also to the right will be minus 3. Then on the left will be left with 0. So I'm going to look for two numbers such that the sum of the two numbers is negative 1 and the product of the two numbers is 2 times negative 3, which is negative 6. When you look at this, what are the two numbers? The two numbers should be negative 3, 2. Those are the two numbers whose sum is negative 1 and whose product is negative 6. So we're going to replace them here. So we'll be having 2x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 3, giving you a 0. Then you proceed grouping them into 2's and factoring out the common factor. This will be now x into 2x minus 3, then plus 1 into 2x minus 3, being equal to 0. Then those that are not inside a bracket, you put them in one bracket. We are going to have x plus 1, then 2x minus 3, being equal to 0. In the first case, we'll now be having x plus 1 being equals to 0, meaning that x will be equal to negative 1. And in our next case, we'll be having 2x minus 3 being equals to 0, meaning 2x will be equals to positive 3, and x is going to be 1.5, or what's called 1.5. So those are the values of x. So the values of x, therefore here we can say x is equivalent to negative 1 or positive 1.5. Remember, we offer also individualized tuition, and you can reach out via this number at the top here: 07 41 30 43 11.